Hello, dearest listeners and my young learners. Before we proceed towards the next letter, J, G, that is G, soft and hard, I would request you to kindly practice the long E sounds because whenever I've talked to many people, they are going wrong. So if we speak incorrectly, meaning will change and we will be not very good speaker. So shall we start? Right. Now the long E sounds highlighted, but we will read it. It's very important to do that. LE, that means IE is being now LE, okay, long. And her best friend PT, single E, but it is being stretched PT. Love to meet double E by the green tree. Got it? Near the sea. Here EA is the sound of one long E. Every evening they would see the breeze move the EAE leaves and hear the scream that when you shout of the seagulls. EA is over here, the long vowel E, right? Just see over here, same here. 1 week, double E, they decided to keep a secret treat, EA, beneath the tree. They chose sweet peaches, fruit, and creamy, just see EA, cheese. Each day they would sneak, that means they wouldn't tell any elder, a piece. Here IE is the long vowel. And giggle with glee, giggle, laugh. One evening, as the sun began to leave, Ellie and PT saw three deer eating the green leaves. The deer seemed to agree that the tree was the best place to be. Okay. From then on, Ellie, PT, and the deer would meet by the tree which was near the sea, sharing treats and feeling free. So, are you all feeling free that you all have understood Longi? If there's any problem, please do let me know. So, God bless and please do a lot of reading. Thank you.